At some point in your copywriting career, you're going to have to do research and find royalty-free images that you can use in your articles without infringing on anyone's copyright, put it that way. Now you can do this the hard way and search Google Images, set all the settings that you need to set up, Flickr, Creative Commons, Wiki Commons, or you can, hopefully you've downloaded this software by now and you're familiar with it. But let me show you how you can use this software to completely streamline the whole process to searching for royalty-free images. So again, the website, you can download this software at spiderwebs.co. This is the website, spiderwebs.co, and the way you use it is you first click on a category. In this case, we're going to scroll down to images royalty-free. We're going to add all and then remove world art. This isn't really necessary for our purposes here. Eliminate that. I want you to select this to be ~1 on your keyboard. And again, this is the tilde key. It's usually in the top left-hand corner of your keyboard. And the way you use it, you press the tilde key and then the 1 key in combination. After you've highlighted some text. So here we have some, now highlight some text and press ~1. So let's use an example. Let's say that you're looking for work or contracts on Upwork.com. Let's select this one as an example. Security engineered machinery. Okay, so data security. Methods and solutions to mitigate corporate risk. So we know vaguely what the topic is. Let's have a look at data security. Now remember, the hotkey you press on your keyboard, you highlight the text and you press ~1. So let's see what royalty-free images there are for data security. We have nothing on Wikimedia Commons. We have quite a bit of royalty-free, and check it out, it's already labeled for this option is selected. So this is already done for you. We have a lot of images on Google Images to sort through. We also have quite a few royalty-free images on Flickr and freeimages.com. So this is a very easy way to do your research once you get your outline. So if I was to apply for this job, they would send me an outline for a white paper on data security. I would immediately be able to source royalty-free images for that white paper rather than individually searching every website at a time. So a really nifty and neat little trick that you'll only find in this course, because this is actually my software that I developed. And I developed it specifically for this use. Really, all the other categories revolve around this royalty-free image search. It's unbelievably useful and it's made my life a lot easier, and I'm glad to share this method with you. So when you're researching for images, royalty-free images, don't take any chances with forgetting to use or forgetting to select this option. Use the categories that you find pre-built in Spiderwebs, and we'll do the work for you. So I hope you found this video of use. I hope you are able to use Spiderwebs to help you save time and streamline your online research as a copywriter, which is a very important and sometimes time-consuming effort.